All right, so this is going to be a video about linear approximation, and it says find the linear approximation of L of x at f at x sub 0. Okay, so I'm going to do A first here. And it says find the linear approximation, which means we need to find the equation of a tangent line at, in this case, 1. So that's what I'm going to do. First thing I need to do is find the derivative, just 1 over x, okay? And then I need to find the derivative at 1 because that's my slope at that point 1. So it's going to be equal to 1 over 1, which is equal to 1. This means that our equation of a tangent line is going to be y equals x plus b. We need the x to solve for b, so it's going to be 1 plus b is equal to, now we need to figure out our y value in this case. The y value is based on this equation here. ln of 1 is 0, so you end up with b being equal to -1. So your L of x equation, your linear approximation equation, is just going to be x minus 1. So that's part A. Part B, it says use this approximation to find the approximate value at x equals c. Here's x equals c right here. So what we need to do now is to find this value, we need to just put 1.9 in the L of x equation. So it's 1.9 minus 1, which is equal to 0.9. And we have our approximation right there. To be 0.9. The last part, it says compare the approximation to the exact value. So what I'm going to do to compare them is I'm going to take f of 1.9 and subtract that from L of 1.9 and then do the absolute value of this, and that's basically the difference between those two values. F of 1.9 I'm going to have to put in my calculator because it ends up being ln of 1.9, which ends up being 0.64185 388611724, and we're subtracting this from L of 1.9, which is right here. It's 0.9. So I'm going to put 0.9 in here. And if we subtract these two, then we find that difference, and we are doing the absolute value. So I'll put the absolute value bars on there. And you end up with 0.258 if you round to 3 decimal places. So that's another linear approximation problem. If you have any questions about anything in this video, let me know.